Oh yeah, what's up? This is Donovan Green from Donovan Green Fitness. Today we're gonna work on your body, your mobility, your flexibility, your range of motion, your endurance. If you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We are in the midst of growing and expanding this name, this platform, getting people to feel inspired, motivated, and showing you that you can sit down and get fit. I always say, if you can sit, then you can get fit. Also, head on over to donovangreenfitness.com and become a supporter. Help me to keep the videos going. Use the code CHAIRWORKOUTS, all lowercase, to get in for $7.49 every month. Your money will give you access to tons of videos that you will not find here on YouTube. You will also help me to keep these videos getting popped out every single week. So in my hands, anyway, I have a little ball. This ball is 2 pounds. You can use light dumbbells. You can use a book. You can use anything. Remember, no excuses. Don't tell me you ain't got no time or no equipment, because I'm showing you that you can. All right, let's get this party started. My chest is up. My stomach is nice and tight. I'm going to press out to the front 20 times. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, squeeze the chest muscles. 6, 7, when you punch out. 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Utilize the squeeze in your body. Don't just wait for the muscles to work. I want you to squeeze them. Use it. Dynamic tension. All right, here we go again. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Stomach tight. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh man, I'm going to drop that ball. Now keep in mind, I'm already feeling it. My heart rate is up. Why? Because I am squeezing my muscles. You understand? I'm squeezing them. Let's do it again. One more round. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. There you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That feels good. All right, leg raises, bringing the hands under, making figure eights. Gonna go 1 under and 2 under. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. Come on. 8, 9, 10. Keep yourself challenged. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stomach tight. 7, 8, 9, 10. You're not done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop slouching. 6. No slouching. 7, 8, 9. 10 more. Come on. 1. We can do this. 2. Focus on your goals. 3. I'm here with you. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's what I'm talking about. Great work, great work. Listen, I'm motivated, I'm inspired, I'm encouraged, I'm ready to go, I'm ready to rock, I'm ready to train, I'm ready to sweat, I'm ready to burn, okay? We are doing this together. So now, we're gonna do the first movement with this movement that we just did combined. What did he say? Don't worry, you catch up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on, stay with me. 10. Don't get frustrated. Take your time. 1. Move at your pace. I'm going pretty fast. 2. Why? Because I want to work out as well. 2. 2. 2. Come on. 2. Yes, I'm stuck. I'm in stuck mode. 2. You got more? Oh, no. Get back over here. 3. That broke my stuck mode. 4. 5. Come on. 6. 7. We got this, baby. 8. We want to get that sweat going. 9. Find your intensity. 10. Remember, make your fitness fun. 1. If it's not fun, it's not worth it. 2. You have to have fun smiling. 3. Smile through the burn. 4. Or you can scream. 5. Or you can call 911. 6. They're not going to come and help you anyway. 7. Because they know it's me. 8. Come on. 9. Come on. Give me some more. 10. Come on. Give me some more. 1. Come on. Give me that work. 2. Get into your zone. 3. Feel proud of yourself. Come on. 4. Ooh, bah, bah, bah. 5. 6. Ooh, ooh, come on. 7. Woo. 8. Boom. Boom. Get back over here. 9. My second time dropping the ball, but if you notice, I'm not stopping. I'm getting it and going back into the motion again. Come on. Give me some more. Give me 8 more. That's 1. 2. 3. Stay with me here. 4. 5. I'm watching you. 6. Stomach tighter. 7. 8. Woo. 9. Woo, yeah. And 10. That's what I'm talking about. Woo, that's what I'm talking about. Perfection happens at no point in our life. When you see me drop that ball, I'm not going to cut the video. I'm going to keep on going because this is the raw dog, raw deal. It is what it is. You get it the way it is. But now we're going to pick both legs up. If you cannot pick both legs up, it's okay. Just go to single. Do the same thing we just did. But for the challenge, we're going to pick both legs up and pass it under the leg and bring it back under. I already started. And if you want to rock back a bit like I'm doing, do that. Make sure you're to the edge of the chair though, okay? I'll go under the right, then I'll go right back under to the left. Oh yeah. Challenge yourself. Don't tell yourself you can't. You'd be surprised at what you can do. And if you can't do it right now, don't get frustrated, okay? If I'm doing a single leg, I'm passing all the way under. Not the figure 8. I'm passing it all the way under, okay? Keep that core tight. Don't forget, like I said, rock the body back and forth. If you want to be really advanced, don't rock the body too much. It's going to make you work way more. But I don't want to be advanced. I want to rock the body too. It feels so good. Woo, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. We're looking good. Oh, man, this burns a lot. Oh, baby. Let's go, man. Don't tell me you can't. I don't want to hear nothing. You got this. This is your time, your world, your energy, your love, your body. You only have one body, so take care of it. What do you think is going to happen when you lose that body? You don't have another body to go in. You don't have another body. You have just one body. It's a sin if you're not taking care of what you have. Come on. Whew. 10 more. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. If it starts to hurt your back, 5. Go back to that single leg. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm sweating. I am sweating. And you sweating because if you ain't sweating, you ain't working hard enough. You need to go pick up the car because we need those muscles to work, okay? So now we're going to work on this side twisting. Going side to side, left to right, okay? Here we go. Whew. 1, 2, 3. Turn that torso. 4. That's that mobility. 5. Flexibility of your spine. 6, 7. Keep your stomach tight. 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. Come on, don't be afraid to laugh. Don't be afraid to laugh. That's 4, 5. Pull the navel in. 6, 7. Relax the shoulders. 8, 9, 10. You're not done yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you get dizzy, look straight ahead of you. 1, keep your eyes looking straight ahead. 2, 3, 4, this is you. 5, give me everything you got. 6, put it all on the table. 7, I don't want no excuses out of you. 8, I want you to dig deep. 9, come on. 10, come on. Yell now. 1, feel great later. 2, hate me now, love me later. 4, come on. 5, 6, 7, pull the stomach tighter than that. 8, 9, and 10. That's what I'm talking about. I love to hate Donovan and I hate loving Donovan. That's right, I know. I'm not here for you to love me or hate me. I'm here for you to just know that I'm with you the whole time. I am your coach 100% of the time. So let's go. Let's keep it grinding. Let's keep these results going. Damn, I can talk fast. I know I can talk fast, but that's what I do. All right, here we go. We're going to do chop downs. We're going to go above the head. And we're going to chop and chop and chop. In 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. 1, 2, 3, stomach tight. 4, 5, don't smack yourself in the head though. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh. It's almost over. It's not done yet. We're still grinding. We're still working. Are you sweating? Leave it in the comments. Let me know how you're doing. Leave it in the comments. Share the videos. Get people to know that this is a crazy coach giving you things you never thought you could do while you're sitting down. I know. You're like, what the heck? This guy's crazy. Yes, he is. So now we're going to combine this single, the figure 8, to the push out, to the underleg, to the overhead chop. I might get confused too, but let's keep it going. Here we go. Single, single, push out, double leg, chop. Single, single, push out, double leg, chop. Single, single, push out, double leg, chop. Come on, we got this. Go to your pace. Oh yeah, I have to tell myself a million times too. I gotta keep myself reminded. What did I just say? Oh yeah, come on. Push out, boom, chop it, boom, single, push out, double leg, chop. Come on, we got this, we got this. Let's just flow, baby. Come on, this is our world. Nobody else's world, our world. Almost forgot that part right now. Single, single, push out, double leg, chop. See, I have to remind myself every now and then because my brain is moving at 1,000,000 miles a minute. You see? And I want to do other parts. Oh yeah, bam, boom. Come on, give me some more work. Don't stop. Find your power. Find your intensity. Let's go for 5 more, okay? That's 1. 2. 3. Woo, yeah. 4. 5. I did it. Yeah. I did it, baby. I didn't mess up. I feel good. I feel great. I'm celebrating that. All right, boy, out of here. All right, let's go. Left leg forward. Just give me that quick stretch. You want to feel the stretch in the hamstrings right below in the back of that leg, okay? We're going to hold it for 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, come on, 3, 2, and 1. Go as far as you're able to go. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Last one for the day. Legs out, toes pointed out, reach forward. Drop your chin to your chest. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and it's over. We did it. Another workout completed. Yes, you're sitting down. Look, I tell people, you have options in life. You could either sit and get sick, or you can sit and get fit. It's up to you. I tell you, if you have knee problems, if you have shoulder problems, if you have hip problems, you've been diagnosed with diabetes, cancer, osteoarthritis, osteoporosis, if you've been diagnosed with anything in your life, it does not mean that diagnosis becomes your identity. You do not become that. So you have to find ways to eradicate that. We are building a community like no other. We're almost at 40,000 subscribers already. Now keep in mind, last year I was at 150 subscribers online. We're now at 40, almost at 40. We're averaging 4,000 new subscribers every month now. So I want to thank all of you for joining in, for being a part of the membership, for showing me that you really care by hitting the subscribe button, leaving a comment, clicking the notification bell, going to DonovanGreenFitness.com and becoming a member. Because let me tell you, every time that you donate that money monthly, you keep me going. You motivate me to keep on going. And you want this business to grow. Chair workouts, Donovan Green Fitness. Let's go, baby. Don't forget, your body is just a body until you make it a temple. Talk to you later. Peace.